see you watching John's vlog, and today we're going to be going to look at a Kx65 2013, and so we're supposed to be heading to work, but we're taking a little detour, and I'm pretty excited about this. You know, they want 500, but I think we're going to talk them down to 4.
She wrote when you're looking for bikes to buy, you're looking for like a shitty description. So this woman wrote a pretty shitty description. Said, we're moving, bike, bought a new bike for my son. This one has been sitting and needs a few parts. Didn't list no parts, didn't list shit. So yeah, you're looking for a shitty description. This woman wrote a terrible description. She wrote 600 OBO, and then she lowered it to 5 OBO within like a day or so. So that's letting us know, see if I can get rid of it now and fast. We're gonna check it out and see what all is wrong with it. If it ain't much wrong with it, we're gonna try to get it for 4. So yeah, we believe we'll be able to sell it for 12. We're gonna try for 15, but 1200 is probably what it's gonna get.
It came from, if you live near Danville, Virginia, came from Triangle Cycles.
Yeah, we don't know if this woman bought it brand new or not, but I'm pretty sure she has a title. Well, she came from Triangle Cycles, I'm pretty damn sure they always had a title for their bikes, but not 100% sure on that. But, so she has a title and they bought it brand new, this bike's definitely worth 15.
Yep. So, if we get this bike, you can expect to see a new project on the channel, and be some good content coming your way.
So, just left the Kx65. As you can see, it's not in the back. What a fucking pile of shit. So we get to this woman's house, and she's not there, so we had to wait like 25 minutes because she went to the store for some dumbass reason. When I told her that we were going to be at her house at the specific time, she said okay. She was not there when we got there. Waited 25 minutes for her to show up. I think this bike's complete by pictures online. So she takes us around back, shows us the bike. The whole fucking bike's disassembled. There's no motor or anything. The whole fucking bike's garbage. So I'm like, where's the motor at? She takes us inside and shows us the motor. It's under her fucking kitchen table in a Food Line bag. Well, 3 Food Line bags. It's completely disassembled with a fucking flathead screwdriver. So, yeah, I don't know. They even split the case with the fucking screwdriver. I can tell. Everything was gouged as shit. No, I mean, it was, what a fucking pile of garbage. What a waste of time. So, no 2013 Kx65 build. It's not fucking happening. That bike needs a new bike. It needs everything. Throw that one in the dump, get you another one. But, so yeah, wasted about an hour and a half of my fucking day. Appreciate it, whoever you are. Yeah, so we'll be on the lookout for another bike. So new project bike will be coming soon. The Honda CR250 is almost done. Got the chain tension and bolts left to do, and that's it. Put the back tire back on the bike, crank it up, ride it around, sell it. So we're looking for another bike. Oh yeah, it might be trading my 99 KX1